Welcome to this video. Today we're diving into something super powerful. You'll learn how to transform any image in any category using just a text prompt. Sounds wild? It gets even better. We'll show you how to take a simple image just by its URL and let the workflow auto-redesign it into a new version in the same visual style. No editing skills needed, no manual tweaking, it's all prompt-based magic. Want to turn a coffee mug into a luxury product shot? Done. Want your sneakers to look like they're floating in space? Easy. Let's take a look at the final edited image we just ran through the workflow. Awesome, right? We started with just a simple t-shirt photo and placed it perfectly onto a girl model. No manual editing. We even added custom text and changed the style on the t-shirt, all from a prompt. It's fast, flexible, and looks super realistic. But here's something even cooler. You can even upload your own AI girl influencer photo and create consistent, on-brand visuals just like the top virtual influencers out there. The kind that's pulling in huge followers and brand deals. You can do the same using just a prompt and a single image. Simply upload the image to any hosting platform to get a direct image URL. Then head over to the workflow, paste in the URL, and enter a new creative prompt. And it will generate a fresh image featuring the same AI girl from the original photo. Same face, same style, but now placed in a completely new outfit, scene, or vibe. You can build a full content calendar, a whole Instagram feed, all from one consistent AI character, just by updating the prompt and image URL each time. This is how modern creators are scaling with AI, and now you can do it too. It's not just mockup generation anymore. It's your personal content factory powered by AI. And here's the cool part. This isn't just a mockup generator. We've upgraded the workflow to a whole new level. Now, it doesn't stop at images. We can convert the final image into a short video automatically. Make it scroll stopping for social media or product pages. From static photo to a dynamic branded video asset in minutes. And all you did was give it a photo and a prompt. Then you just send it to the workflow and let the automation machine do all the heavy lifting. You don't have to touch a thing, just sit back and let it work, step by step in the background. After a few minutes, boom, your result is ready. In this case, we sent in a photo of a yellow car and told the workflow to change it to red, then asked it to make the car run on a road. No manual editing, no layers, no animation software, just image prompt video. And now, we get a short cinematic clip of that red car in motion. It looks clean, realistic, and ready to post. Now let's break down how this is built, so you can customize it for any kind of image you want. Alright, let's break down the first version of our workflow, the mockup generator. Before we jump into video generation, we need to understand how the image redesign flow works. First up, we've got a chat trigger node. This node listens for input from the user, a message that includes a prompt and an image URL. The prompt tells the system how the final image should look. Simple as that. Next, we send this chat input to a function node. This node does a quick job. It extracts the prompt and the image URL so we can cleanly use those values in the next steps. Now here's something to watch for. Sometimes the user might only send an image URL, no text, no prompt. Other times, the message may include both a prompt and an image, so we need a way to handle both. That's where the if node comes in. If the user text is empty, the if node takes the true branch. If the user sent both text and image, it takes the false branch. We'll talk about the true branch a bit later. For now, let's start with the false branch. What if the user sends both text and image? That's where things get even more interesting. We take the user's message and use it as a custom prompt. Then feed it into the LLM using an edit node. Inside the edit node, we define a system prompt. This tells the AI how to think when generating a final image prompt. Basically, we're saying, here's the style and tone we want. Now rewrite the user's message into a polished image description. To do this, we use the Zero2Launch text generation API, which connects to the OpenAI model behind the scenes. Don't forget, you'll need to enter your Zero2Launch API key in the request header. You can find it in the member portal when you join the premium community. The body of the request includes two parts: the system prompt and the user's original message. Once that's sent, we get back a refined professional prompt crafted specifically for visual generation, and you'll see the output is super detailed and clear. Way better than just using the raw user message. Now we take that final image prompt and pass it to the Flux Kontext generator node and paste the generated image prompt into the prompt field. This node connects to the Flux Kontext API, also provided by Zero2Launch, and yes, it's free to use. Again, make sure you add your API key in the header here too. We drop the image URL into the image field. You can also choose whether the API returns a direct image file or just the image URL. Awesome. Next, let's walk through the case where the user sends only an image URL, no extra text, no custom prompt. In this situation, the if node will go to the true branch. And here's what happens. Since we don't have a prompt, we can't send anything to the image generator yet because the system doesn't know how to modify the image. So instead, we send the image to a Vision API node. This node scans the image and returns a natural language description. Pretty cool, right? But we're not done. That raw vision text is useful, but not quite ready for image generation. So we pass the description into the OpenAI LLM along with a predefined system prompt to transform the vision output into a creative and refined image prompt. This way, even if the user didn't send a prompt, we still generate one automatically, based on what's actually in the photo. Now, before we move forward, we clean up the AI-generated prompt using a function node. This removes any invalid symbols, emojis, or weird characters. Then, just like before, we send this clean prompt into the Flux Kontext generator node. We also pass the original image URL to keep the visual reference. The result, a newly designed image, automatically generated, even though the user didn't type a single word. Let's compare it with the original image. You'll notice the workflow only makes a minor change, but it still keeps the main content and structure of the original. It's subtle, clean, and keeps the visual style intact. And remember, you can control how creative or bold the changes are, just by adjusting the system prompt inside the LLM. Just tweak the prompt and you're in control. Alright, before we move on to the video generation part, let's try another image to push things a bit further. This time, not just a t-shirt. Let's go with a car photo. We'll ask the workflow to change the car's color, and also turn on the headlights using only a prompt. All set, now let's sit back and watch the magic happen. Awesome. We got a very impressive photo. It's still the same car, with the same license plate, but now with a new color and the headlights turned on. That's the power of consistency. We're not just generating random edits, we're keeping the identity of the image intact, while making smart, guided changes. This means you can create consistent content, whether it's a product, a scene, or even an AI influencer. Yep, imagine building a whole feed of content where the same character or item appears again and again, just with different outfits, scenes, and vibes. Alright, now that we've mastered image generation, let's move on to the next version of the workflow. This time, we're going to turn that output image into a corresponding video, all in one flow. This time, we're going to turn that output image into a corresponding video. Let's use the last car photo as our example. But now, we'll return an image URL instead of an image file from the Flux Kontext node. Why? Because the video generator needs a URL input to start the process. So here's how it works. And it's actually very straightforward. Once we get the final image result, we send it directly to the video generation node. Alright, we've got a red car image from the Flux Kontext node. Now give it a moment. And here comes the final video of that car, moving, alive, and cinematic. Awesome video, right? Now, if this looks familiar, it's because we've done a similar process before. In the POV video workflow, let's take a quick look at how that works again. Here, we use the image to video API from Zero2Launch. As always, we start by filling out the API key in the header. Then, we pass in the image URL. This comes from the Flux Kontext result. And here's the important part. We need to set the positive prompt. This tells the video generator what to do with the image. For example, a red car racing along a winding mountain road. Just like the video we got earlier, you can adjust this prompt to match your scene. Whether it's a car driving, a product rotating, or if your Flux Kontext output returns a female or girl photo, we can use prompt like a girl walking confidently on the beach. The more descriptive your prompt, the better the animation will match your vision. Once the request is sent, the API returns a task ID. We use that ID in the check video status node to monitor the processing status until it becomes success. And finally, returns the video file or URL. And just like that, your static image turns into a dynamic, visually engaging video. No video editing, no timeline, no After Effects, just one smart, automated workflow. And the best part is, you can run this entire workflow from image to video as many times as you want, with access to powerful tools like LLM-based prompt generation, unlimited mockup creation using Flux Kontext. All of this is available inside the Zero2Launch Premium community. When you join, you'll get full access to the final n8n workflow template, your own API key, and unlimited usage of the image and video generation tools, completely free to run. Plus, you'll unlock exclusive tutorials, prompt libraries, and automation recipes to help you scale your content fast. So if you're ready to create like the top AI influencers, e-commerce brands, and digital creators, join the Zero2Launch Premium community today and start generating stunning visuals and videos at scale effortlessly.